A Carnival Jubilee Cloud9 spa room is the perfect escape for travelers looking for an oasis of relaxation amidst the excitement of their cruise. Join us as we show you room 17211. It has soothing decor with soft hues and calming textures that create a spa-inspired atmosphere. It had plenty of space and electrical outlets, which included USB-type electrical outlets. The storage space was more than adequate, with closets, drawers, and a bench that opened with storage as well. Cloud9 Spa bathrobes and slippers are the perfect way for pampering yourself throughout your stay. High-quality Elemis toiletries elevate your everyday routines, leaving you feeling refreshed and invigorated. Exclusive Cloud9 perks include priority booking that ensures your spot at the spa for treatments that you crave, unlimited access to the luxurious thermal suites featuring a variety of temperature-controlled environments to soothe your mind and body, complimentary fitness classes for two that allow you to stay active while on board, and you can also gain insights into your well-being with a complimentary body composition analysis.
Part of our spa room package is a do-it-yourself scrub. Let's see what we got in here. It's got some sea salt type stuff and some herbs and stuff. What does it smell like? That's gonna feel good.
One really cool feature of the Cloud9 Spa room was this secret passageway and elevator to the thermal spa. If you'd like to book a Cloud9 spa room on any of Carnival's amazing ships, contact the Moonlight Adventures travel agency at the email address below. Please watch our Carnival Jubilee sail away video for more exciting adventures.